Hi guys, my name is Gokul and I'm going to be a rising sophomore at Mission San Jose High. So for my starter project, I chose to assemble the Simon Says game. And the Simon Says game is just a game to check your reaction time. So the game gives you a sequence of buttons to click, and the player must click the corresponding buttons in order to proceed. So through assembling the game, I learned the basic parts and functions of a circuit, while also learning how to solder. And this would all be helpful to me for my main project. So for my main project, I chose to assemble the weather IoT device, which is a device that changes color according to the weather. And I chose this because this seemed like a pretty interesting and helpful idea to me, as I wouldn't have to check my phone for the weather and could just glance at this to see how it was. So I'm going to demo it for you guys, but first I got to explain a couple of things. So the weather IoT device only activates when there's a change in the weather. And as you guys see, it's always sunny around here, so it never really activated. So I had to think of other couple of ways to get this to happen. So I thought of a way I can manually control it using my phone. So say I type in the keyword clear, which refers to the weather being clear. The device should shine yellow, which is how it is right now. So on the video on the back, I thought of another way I could do this too. So say I wanted to sense the weather at a specific time, like 1:30 for example. It would pick that weather and display the color corresponding to it.
Yeah, the light is on. It's just projecting.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it displayed the color green, and that was because it was sunny, but really close is blue. So how this works? So there are three main components. There's a neopixel ring, which displays the colors. There's a photon, which is like a microcontroller or the brain, and there's two momentary switches, which if you want to manually switch the colors, that's what they're there for. So the photon is connected to the microcontroller through three wires: a power wire, a data in wire, and a ground wire. So the data in wire gets a signal from the photon and takes it to the neopixel, which gives it the command to flash the colors. So through a software called IFTTT, if this then that, which is online, I was able to access the weather. And through my code on Particle, I wrote a series of if functions, if statements, which asks to change the device's color according to the weather, which it got from it. So a problem I encountered during this project was the wiring. At first, I was just following the instructions, not paying too much close attention. But then I found out that it was completely wrong, so I had to completely stop what I was doing. And I researched and found out that I was using a part called a breadboard. So once I understood how that worked, it was easier for me to fix it out and get the code to work. So a modification I want to make is 3D printing the lid, which was one of the things I was required to do. But as Asher mentioned, I was a 2-week student, so I didn't have enough time to do it. So with 3D printing the lid, it will make this look like a much more aesthetic device while also being a cleaner fit, because as you see, this USB cable has to stick out in order to be connected to a power source. So there will just be a hole on the top and it'll be all easy. So coming to Bluestamp, I had some coding experience and a little hardware experience, but I still didn't think that was going to be enough to do my project. But I was totally wrong, because I did that and I learned a whole lot of information. And one other thing I liked about the instructors is that they don't give you the answer to your question, so you have to figure it out yourself. So I had a ton of questions that I asked Asher. His response was always figure it out yourself. It's really irritating, but so thank you, Asher. Yeah, Bluestamp was a great experience and it made me love engineering. So thank you guys. Are there any questions? Yes. Yeah.
So where else would you use this?
So right now now it's kind of like a kid's product, but if I can expand this, I can make it like it solely just like shows whatever the weather is. So right now it only shows the weather for the Palo Alto location. But if I can add more functions, I can make it like whatever weather you want to see. You just turn it on and it'll show you the color of that, which you use the color to indicate whatever weather it is. Yeah, yellow is yes because it was the example was clear. But say if it was like cloudy, for example, then it would show blue. So that's just yes.
So how is it capable of showing different colors with just one light?
So you're asking how is it NeoPixel?
Yes.
So on my code, I define each color. Like you guys can't see, but like for like a list of colors, I define the red value, green value, and blue value, and that gets inputted from the photon to the NeoPixel, which displays.
All right. Thank you, Gokul.